Hello friends, welcome back to the trending tube. I hope you all are doing great. Today I have got a small but super useful product that will instantly level up your home entrance. The IKEA doormat, and trust me, it's not your average doormat. Stay tuned because by the end of this video you might just want to grab one for yourself. Let's dive in. Now let's talk about the materials being used in this mat. This is made up of 99.5% coir and 0.5% polyethylene, while the backing is made up of natural latex, which is why it stays put so well. And when it comes to the care, you need to simply vacuum and rotate the rug regularly to keep it looking fresh and clean. Now, if you are wondering about the size, it's a perfect fit for most entryways. 70 by 40 cm with a comfy pile thickness of 15 mm. And here is the best part, it comes at an affordable price of just rupees 299. That's a solid deal for something this durable and stylish. Now let's talk about the design. These printed words on the doormat instantly make you feel welcome and the moment you step inside. Whether it's a simple welcome or something quirky, IKEA keeps it fun. And here is a cool fact, the text on the mat actually varies based on the region where it's being sold. Imagine getting a greeting on your local language. This mat is tough and built to last. I have personally been using it for over 2 years and it still does the job perfectly, trapping dust and dirt like a pro. So, what do you think about the IKEA doormat? Would you get one for your home? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome product reviews, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time. Thank you.